Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect or disconnect from a Wi-Fi on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our watch. For that, swipe down and click on this settings icon. Then, go to this tab which is named Connection and here choose Wi-Fi. Currently, I'm not connected to any Wi-Fi, so firstly, let me show you how to connect to Wi-Fi network. Here on this tab, make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned on, and after this we would need to find our Wi-Fi network on this list of available networks. So here's my Wi-Fi. I would need to click on it and then enter the password because this one is secured. Click on this password tab and enter the password from your network. After you have entered the password from the network, we would need to click on this confirmation icon and after click connect. And in a few whiles, if the password is correct, you'll be connected to this exact Wi-Fi network. You can see it. So currently I am connected to this one. And now let me show you how to disconnect from any network. For that, you would need to click on the network and then scroll down. Here, click on this button Forget, and this is it. You have successfully disconnected from the Wi-Fi, and if you would like to connect to the same Wi-Fi again, you would need to enter the password one more time. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.